Good day guys, welcome back to another episode. In this video, we're going to be taking a look at Ethos Foam Party. Alright, so as I mentioned, we're going to be taking a look at Ethos Foam Party. I've been seeing all the craze, the rage about Ethos products. I have not had a chance to try them, but I was like, hey, why not? So I hopped online, picked up a few different products. Yes, this is the first one I'll be reviewing. So I picked a few different products up, things that kind of got my interest, and Foam Party is definitely one of them because who doesn't love foam? Who doesn't love hooking up their foam cannon and just completely turning the vehicle white when they come in for their wash? It's a lot of fun, and it just makes the washing process just a little bit funner. We're just going to go over a few things about the product, what Ethos has to say about their Foam Party. I will show that. I will also show the pickup. Yes, it is dirty. Yes, it is white, but it does show the dirt very well on it. This is labeled as a super concentrated pre-foam wash, so we will be seeing how it does on that dirt. On the bottle, it says Ethos Foam Party Super Concentrated Pre-Foam Wash. Concentrated cleaners help break down road grime, pH neutral, safe for waxes, sealants, and coatings, designed exclusively for use in foam guns and cannons, addicting tropical foaming scent. Application and instructions: add 2 to 3 ounces in your foam cannon or foam gun and fill the rest of the container with water. Thoroughly coat vehicle surface in foam and wash vehicle surface from top down. Extremely concentrated, fine-tuned soap to water ratio to achieve desired results based upon your equipment settings and water quality. They also say, bring on the suds. Foam Party is packed with concentrated cleaners, lubricants, and thick foaming agents to provide enjoyable thick foam out of any foam gun or foam cannon. Designed to be used as a pre-wash cleaner, Foam Party's pH neutral formula will go to work to break down surface contaminants without harming your vehicle's finish, unlike some snow foam washes. Foam Party is completely safe to use on every wash. The thick and lubricating suds will help prevent wash-induced marring and make surface grime easier to clean. Its extremely addicting tropical scent and thick mountains of foam will make you not want to wash your car without it. Grab a bottle and enjoy a relaxing tropical getaway every time you wash your car without ever having to leave your home. So one thing that really grabs my attention is you can see the bottle, the label here is shiny, and as you turn it, like right up in here, it's flat. Very, very cool labeling. I like the bottle. It is a nice bottle that you get a lot of soaps, shampoos, snow foams, so these bottles are very good. I just saying that I absolutely like the label. I like how they have basically combined a glossy label with a flat label. Another really cool thing is right on the back. We will try to get the camera to focus. Right there, and as you can see, it says foam, cleaning, and then they give a star rating. So that is very cool. I do like that. So overall, labeling, bottling, very, very cool. I do like that a lot. But let's take a smell of this stuff. And it is a very tropical scent. It smells very, very good. It's kind of a coconutty island getaway, maybe like a mixed drink kind of smell that you think of. So very tropical, really, really good scent. This is a thinner product, as you can see there. And as I have noticed, and a lot of you have probably noticed, thinner products work very well in a foam cannon for producing tons of suds. But that is all dependent upon your water, because if you have hard water where you live, that is going to inhibit your foam. So as they mentioned on the back here, fine-tuning the soap to achieve proper soap to water ratio. And with your equipment, you might have to add a little bit more, you might have to add a little bit less. They do say 2 to 3 ounces. We're gonna go 3 ounces in the foam cannon. We're gonna use it as a pre-wash to see how those suds and the cleaners in this break down the dirt that is stuck on the paint. So using this basically foaming, rinsing the loose surface dirt that is on there off so you can come in to do a safer wash without marring. And then you could always come back in a second time, save a little bit in your foam cannon, foam it all down again, and then use that foam as a nice lubricating soft blanket of foam on your car along with whatever you're using to wash with your soaps. One thing I do want to mention though is if you have not subscribed to the channel, please consider subscribing to the channel, click the bell, turn on all post notifications so you don't miss a future upload. If you're enjoying this content, also remember to smash that thumbs up and drop a comment down below of what you think of the video, any input you have, if you want to see me use different products, if you want to see me do something different, if you like this video, anything you want to comment in. I always try to get back to you because I appreciate all your guys' support so much. But let's head out here and see how this stuff foams. Okay, so right away I gotta say this foam is extremely thick, so understand why it's called Foam Party. I'm gonna go ahead and keep foaming so you guys can see this. Thick. So as you can see, that foam is extremely thick. This stuff is a ton of fun to use just by how much foam it makes and creates. It's slowly just pulling down the surface. It is very, very thick. It's very rich. So basically it is attacking that dirt and grime. Hopefully it's breaking it down and pulling it off the surface. I'm gonna come in and rinse it now that it has had some dwell time. And then once I get it rinsed, we'll come back in and see how good of a job it's done cleaning. So as you can see right here, there is the bottom where I have not rinsed, the top right here. That is my finger swipe. So it's not getting all of the dirt, but it is getting a large portion of it compared to the bottom here as I'm rinsing. So it is definitely breaking down this road grime and it is pulling it off the surface when I'm doing my thorough rinse. All right, so here it is. This is what it looks like after I've rinsed it. I left a spot to show you just how good this stuff has softened up the dirt. Right here, you can see it. There's a stripe on the door that I've left. I'm gonna come back in and rinse it off. But that is how good it is done. Penetrating that dirt, loosening it up, dissolving it. That way you can get it all off the surface. So it is definitely gonna be a safer wash because it's gonna have a lot less chances of marring or scratching when you're doing your contact wash, all because of how good of a job it is softening up that dirt so you can get it off the surface. As you can see, the rest of the pickup does look really good. Still needs washed, but we'll come in and we'll take a look at a few of the areas that I showed you before I started to foam it down. So here's the tailgate where a lot of stuff gets kicked up. You can see where I swipe my finger right there. So not all the dirt is off the surface, but a large majority of it is, and that's what matters. This is the lower door that we did the finger swipe on, but as you can see, once again, it looks really good. If you come in close, you can see right here is where I did do my finger swipe before, but it is a lot harder to see than it was. So now that I've got it all foamed down, pre-washed, I'm gonna come in for my contact wash. I'm gonna let you guys know once I'm done. I will show how the pickup looks, and I'll also let you know if I feel that it helped loosen up all that dirt to make the washing process easier. Okay, it is all washed up now, and as you can see, it has turned out really, really good. Honestly, with the Foam Party, I do believe that it does soften up that dirt that is left on the surface. Because when you come in for a contact wash, basically one swipe, it comes off the surface very, very easily. Absolutely love that part about it. We'll go around the other side to see it because it's a little more in the sun. The other thing that I was just blown away with is the amount of foam that you get out of it, but works very, very effectively for removing road grime as a pre-wash. Very satisfied with it. All right, guys, so for the final thoughts on the Ethos Foam Party, as you can see, the smile on my face, absolutely love this stuff. Definitely a 2 thumbs up product, 100%. On here they make a claim of, right here, it's extremely addicting tropical scent and thick mountains of foam will make you not want to wash your car without it. Yes, absolutely. So for me, if I want something that's going to produce a tremendous amount of foam, something that is going to be an awesome pre-wash, this product right here, 100% is what I'm grabbing and what I'm going for. It did such a great job. The foam that it produced still is just absolutely got me in shock and got me blown away, because that is the best foam that I've ever got out of my foam cannon. And the pre-washing characteristics with the super concentrated pre-wash foam is what it's labeled as. Absolutely amazing. You saw that strip on the door that I left. That foam is attacking, it's dissolving, it's softening up. Any of that nasty dirt that is stuck on the surface, it's pulling it off. When you come in to thoroughly rinse the surface, that is when you see the dirt just coming off. Also, the dirt that is left on the panel, because there is a little bit that was left on my pickup. When I came in for my contact wash, I was using a pH neutral soap, a soap that I've used numerous times, that it doesn't take a lot of scrubbing, but you definitely have to make sure that you are getting all the dirt off the surface. With this stuff as a pre-wash, just run the pad right over the surface and it was just knocking that dirt out. So it had softened up the dirt that was still left there, making the washing process so much easier. With that, that is definitely going to reduce any kind of marring or scratching during the washing process. So overall, like I mentioned, Ethos Foam Party, amazing product. The scent is just amazing. I can't say enough about this product. I absolutely love it. So that's got me super excited to try out the other products that I've purchased from Ethos, because this one is a huge win in my books. Hopefully you guys enjoyed this video. Hopefully it was fun to watch. If you've used Foam Party, definitely let me know down in the comment sections what your thoughts were on that product. But like I mentioned, I absolutely loved it. If you didn't like it, that's okay, because we all get different results out of products. But this one for me, huge win. Also, please remember, if you have not subscribed to the channel, please consider subscribing to the channel. Click the bell, turn on all post notifications so you don't miss a future upload if you're enjoying content like this. Also, if you're enjoying the content, please remember to smash that thumbs up and also drop a comment down below. But I want to thank you all so much for taking the time out of your day to stop in and check out this video. Hopefully it was enjoyable and fun or informative to watch, and I will catch you guys all in the next one. And until then, take care.